This is the second part to my 100% guide to Pcsx2. Just a couple of things I didn't clear up on my first part is that when you are running this the normal Pcsx2 0.9.4, it'll ask you to log off. Press yes because you need to log off because it needs to do something to your computer to allow it to run to its full best. So when you've done that, if you're using Vista, as I said, you need to right click it and press run as administrator, otherwise it will keep telling you to log off and you won't get anywhere. So now we've logged off and that, you click on it and it should start up like this and you should get a screen like this. Okay, right, first off, don't run the games yet. You go into config and then click configure. Right, here comes the bit. You only have to do this once, so it's alright. Alright, these are your different graphic settings. 0GS uses software to try and run it, but GSDX9 tries using your DirectX 9 video card, your actual video card to run the game. But not all cards are supported. I didn't really get any good results on it. So you choose that if your card's supported. I usually use this, and if you choose one, you can have gone GSDX9 for it, and then you hit configure, and you select what. I'm only using my onboard graphics card at the minute, so I've only got Pixel Shader 2, but hopefully you'll have a better one. And you configure that, and same with the 0GS, you have to configure that as well, but it's a bit more complicated as you're anti-aliasing. If you are using 0GS, make sure you have linear filtering turned off, because that'll just slow down loads. Okay, select your window size for your monitor and leave everything as it is and hit OK. Okay, now down to your first controller. Press configure. No need to change it there. That'd be fine, that one. So you've got pad 1, pad 2. So for example, you just hit a button and then you hit the button on your keyboard for that button to represent that. Okay, when you've done all that, you hit OK. Leave the CD DVD ROM till last. Leave the USB one. Leave the sound. Leave the second controller. Leave the Dev9. Leave the FireWire. And in the BIOS you should have, well, I have a Europe because that's what I downloaded. I downloaded a PAL. But if it you should have some BIOS there. Okay, now we come to our CD DVD ROM. Don't use the POPS one. Use the lins up as ISO CD DVD. Hit configure. Right, here we go. When you put a PS2 disc in, you go to it on your. See, I don't have a PS2 in my drive, but when you click on it, there should be an ISO file. Saying Kingdom Hearts 2, it'd be called kh2.iso or something like that. You'd open that and hit OK, and then you've configured it. If you want, which works best for me, you can download this called Magic ISO, www.magiciso.com. Download that and create a CD ISO image of your PS2 disc, and then select that off your hard drive. Works much better. Worked much better for me. You can try that. So press OK. OK. And then all you have to do is hit Run CD DVD when you've selected your ISO. Won't do it for me because it hasn't found. I haven't selected an ISO. So there's your full guide to Pcsx2. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments or mail me on my YouTube account. And it's my second video. See you later.